out all over the place. We got the energy up. People are moving, and we're gonna have a great day, guys. So stay tuned, and let's get after it. All right, guys. So we just got to the beach cleanup. We're gonna go check in, say hello to everyone, and back in a second. Hey, how's it going, guys? What do we got going on here today?
Hey, welcome to the cleanup.
Perfect. Just sign in here?
Yeah, you just sign in right here.
Awesome, I got you.
Also, do the registration online right here.
Perfect. Thank you, sir.
That's your site?
No, perfect. All right, let's get after it. Thanks, guys.
Huh?
Ah, those are definitely the dookie wipes. Oh well. Well, this isn't necessarily metal, or mostly paper trash. Now how are we gonna get out of here is the question. I done trekked into the jungle. Ain't that bad. I'm just not wearing the appropriate clothing. Oh, there's more trash over here. Oh!
I'm falling for you.
Ah. All right. Crocky. Ew! It's got purple water in it. That's Taki fluid right there. Ugh. That's nasty. We got that short. We got paper plate. We got plastic bottle way back in here. Gonna get it. And another thing. Let's fill this thing with grass. Just kidding. Oh, that was nasty. What's up, man? All right. Let's see. Oh, it's beautiful out here. Say that much. It's definitely beautiful out here, guys. Look at that view. Cleaning the beach. It's definitely a beautiful place. Now, we're gonna check back here because this is where no trespassing. It's where the workers go, and the workers, I'm sure, throw out trash. So let's see what we have hanging out around here. Oh, I see a bottle. It's way back in there. But we're going to get it because Mama didn't raise no beach. Hold on, we're going to get it. Oh, it's behind the wire. I don't know if we can get it. Unless we had wire cutters. No.
Come on, you mother.
Alright guys, I lied. I tried to grab it, but it's... There's a beer bottle behind that wire fencing right there, and I can't get to it. This is the worst.
A few moments later.
Let's see what we got. I don't think it's that heavy, but I got a lot in there. Let's see what we got.
Stay right here. Stay right here.
What we got? What we got?
We got 8 pounds, boy.
There we go.
8 pounds, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, these are some dope pictures. All right.
Oh yeah.
Don't tell nobody I gave you two. What?
You guys got sand sanitizer or anything?
No. Wait. Wait.
Right. I usually say sand sanitizer.
Why backwards?
Huh?
Why backwards?
That's just what I've always said by accident. If you guys have been following my Instagram for a while, you know we usually don't drink, but after a long, hard day in the sun, we had to go grab an ice cold beer from the Tank Brewing. They came out to sponsor this event, and there was a lot of other great sponsors there, as well as myself as the All of You podcast. And if you haven't checked that out, go on Spotify, check it out. It's a podcast based on health, wellness, mental health, physical health, emotional health, whatever. It's all there to make you a better person, and this whole organization and event was designed to make the world a better place, one cleaning at a time. We collected a lot of trash, and they do these events all the time. So if you haven't checked out Keep Florida Clean, that's their Instagram @ go check them out and come show up to one of these events. You'll have a lot of fun. You'll do a lot of good. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. I hope it's inspired you to do something good, and have a great rest of your day.